often you launch new products?
Well, it is very difficult to give an exact timeline, but generally we have at least 2 to 3 products getting launched every year, and most of the products are either we try to see that most of the products are in line with our existing manufacturing but having a different selling domain, so that we can spread our wings to the different and new areas of the market.
What are your views on the industry?
This industry is typically, I'll just brief you about what is woven polypropylene industry's future in next 3 years time. If you carefully observe this industry, this is highly labor intense industry. This was originated in the developed countries like America or Germany in the years 1965 to 70, but due to higher labor cost, the industry started shifting to the comparatively underdeveloped countries like Mexico, Brazil for the American subcontinent, or the countries like Hungary, Poland or Turkey for European subcontinent. But after formation of NAFTA in America or European Union in Europe, there is a substantial rise in the labor wage or the wages cost in these areas also. This has caused typical push or a shift of this industry to the Asian countries, and these are the next 2 to 3 years are the years where you will see a predominant shift from Europe or America to the Indian subcontinent, and that is the reason why MB has decided this is the most ideal time to increase its capacity and capitalize on this shift. So we are setting up a unit which is perfectly of an international size, which is perfectly of international standards, and we will be able to capitalize the entire shift. Labor cost in India is close to 1/10 of that of American or European labor cost. So we see this industry as a phenomenally large future in next 5 years. I will not be shy to say that this is not going to only expand, it is kind of going to explode in this country for the manufacturing part of it.
How is the capacity utilization?
Last year we had a capacity utilization of 93%.
And what capacity utilization you expect after extension?
First year we are not targeting, because we are not getting the full year of the utilization. So our first year utilization will be close to 65%. Second year we are targeting a utilization of around 80%, and third year onwards we are targeting a utilization of around 85%.
Your first year will start from which month?
Our first year will start from month of September 2010.